In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate risk on a futures trade directly on TradingView, step by step. This is perfect if you want a quick, visual way to see exactly how much you're risking, what your potential reward is, and whether the trade setup makes sense before you ever place an order. Start by opening TradingView and pulling up a futures chart. You can use popular contracts like ES for the S&P 500, NQ for the NASDAQ, or CL for crude oil. Any liquid futures symbol will work the same way. Once your chart is open, look to the left sidebar. Find the long-short position tool. Its icon looks like a small ruler with up and down arrows. This tool is designed specifically for mapping out entry, stop loss, and take profit levels, and it automatically calculates the risk and reward for you. With the tool selected, click once on the chart at your planned entry price. That single click sets the starting point of your position. You'll see a rectangle appear with adjustable handles. Now drag the top of the rectangle to your intended take profit level and drag the bottom to your intended stop loss level. If you're planning a short trade, you can use the short position variant of the tool, but the workflow is the same. Entry first, then set your target and stop. As soon as you place those levels, a panel appears showing your numbers. You'll see risk per contract in both points and dollars, reward per contract in points and dollars, and the overall risk-to-reward ratio. Remember, these figures are per contract. If you trade multiple contracts, you can mentally multiply to understand your total exposure. TradingView uses the instrument's tick size and tick value to convert points into dollars for you, so you don't need to do any manual math. Take a moment to fine-tune the rectangle. Drag the handles until they sit exactly at your planned prices. You'll notice that as you move the tool, the risk, reward, and ratio update instantly. Zoom in if you need more precision, and align the anchors with your levels. This quick adjustment phase is where you sanity check the setup. If the risk is larger than you're comfortable with, narrow the stop or adjust the target until the risk-to-reward ratio matches your plan. That's it. By setting the entry, stop, and target with the long-short position tool, you can clearly see your risk and reward before acting. Use this as a pre-trade checklist to stay consistent and disciplined. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.